Fuck your face. Oh, video trimming. Yes. I need water. That's not water. That's boiled peanut spit. That happened. I'm gonna go get a drink from Starbucks. Yep. I'm gonna get a drink. I'm gonna go tell him about Bella. I want something with some caffeine. And I want something that tastes pretty good. But I also want something skinny that has no sugar and no calories. Can you do that? Sure. Sure. You can have a little bit of coffee with a lot of air. Yes. Yes, and it tastes like air and dirt. It's delicious. The best thing on the diet for those who want to watch their caloric intake, so to speak, as it were. Get the fuck over. Get out of my way. You can't get in my way, you son of... You know, maybe you can. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and relinquish that and say you can, since you're fucking doing it. Oh, wow. That's perfect. Let's all slow down for no cars ahead of us. Okay. Papa squat, because Papa's coming through. Yep. That's how you do that. Oh, and that's how you know, that's how you be an asshole. Get in front of me. Don't do it. Yeah. The problem here is, I need to get over, and I don't remember where Dress Barn is, or, you know, the Old Navy. Maybe it's over there. Maybe it's over there. Maybe I should turn in here. It says, 2/10 of a mile, huh? Oh, yeah. No. Yeah, no. You don't know, don't you? I think I really mixed a lot of stuff up there. Yep, probably did. Stop! God, the sun is my enemy doing this stuff. Stop it, sun. Where is the fucking Dress Barn? I really don't know. Maybe it's over there. Maybe it's the trying to make the Ross fancier. So Dress Barn, since people don't know where to put the shit back, it's a barn, but you'll get dressed in it with the shit you find. Sounds about right. Well, I think I'm on my own here. Yeah, pretty sure I'm on my own. No. Yep. Let's go this way. We're gonna take a right. You go ahead. You're bigger than I am. Back quite a bit. That's what he said. I'm gonna go because you're tiny. You're tiny, so I can push you around. Of course, I have company decals on my car, so I can get in trouble for it. I gotta give a shit. Where the fuck is the Dress Barn? I have no idea. Ow. CSI music. Go. Why'd you leave the keys upon the table? You could create another fable. You wanted to. Grab a pressure button and make up. I don't think you trust in my left turn through the light. I go through. Oh, yes, by all means, please cross outside of the crosswalk. Oh no, I'm sorry, I didn't stop for you. But that's okay, because you have a pink shirt on, so. Pink shirt embargo day. You're wearing a pink shirt, you get in front of me, you're gonna get rolled over. Fair warning. It's been said, it's been done. Not yet, but it will be, maybe. Don't do it. I don't want to be a liar or have to actually be a murderer. War is sanctioned murder, so it's okay. Oh, what? What? What are you?